Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the AstroAI ATJ-8366 Inflator with digital dual values display, your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product. The AstroAI Tire Inflator features dual power supplies, compatible with 12-volt car cigarette lighters and 120-volt household outlets, convenient for both home and travel use. The AstroAI Tire Inflator can easily switch between high-pressure and high-current inflation modes. High-pressure mode inflates car, bicycle, and motorcycle tires, along with sports equipment and other small inflatables. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the AstroAI ATJ-8366 Quick Connector, User Manual, Air Nozzles, Product Description, Accessory Compartment, LED light, AC or DC power switch, Handle, LED button, Unit button, Screen, plus and minus buttons, Mode switch, Quick Connector, Large volume hose, 12-volt cigarette lighter cable, large volume inflate port, large volume deflation port, AC power cord. How to use. Press the power button, plug in, then connect to the tire and set the pressure. The air pump will automatically stop inflating when it reaches the preset pressure value. Then disconnect the connector from the car tire. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.